Have you ever wondered why the Atlantic Ocean is so crucial to the world's ecosystem? This vast body of water, stretching from the Arctic to the Antarctic, is more than just a beautiful vista. It's a dynamic living entity that plays a pivotal role in regulating our global climate. By absorbing carbon dioxide, the Atlantic helps to mitigate the impacts of climate change, and its currents, carrying warm and cold water across vast distances, help to moderate temperatures around the globe. But it's not just about the climate. The Atlantic is a haven of biodiversity, home to countless species, from the smallest plankton to the largest whales. Each of these creatures plays a unique role in maintaining the health and balance of the ocean ecosystem. Moreover, the Atlantic is a significant contributor to the world economy. Fishing industries thrive on its bounty, and shipping lanes crisscross its breadth, facilitating global trade. Indeed, the Atlantic Ocean plays a vital role in maintaining the world's balance. The Atlantic Ocean, the second largest ocean in the world, has many unique features that set it apart. Stretching over an area of approximately 41 million square miles, this colossal body of water extends from the Arctic in the north to the Antarctic in the south. Its greatest depth, found in the Puerto Rico Trench, plunges down to an astounding 5.7 miles. To put that into perspective, if you were to drop Mount Everest into this trench, its peak would still be over a mile beneath the surface. The Atlantic is not just a vast expanse of water, it's also home to the Mid-Atlantic Ridge, the longest mountain range in the world. This ridge, stretching for over 10,000 miles, is mostly submerged beneath the ocean's surface. It's a geological marvel, formed by the tectonic plates of the Earth's crust separating and allowing magma to rise from beneath. This process has been ongoing for tens of millions of years, and it's still happening today. But the Atlantic isn't just about its size or geological features. It's a veritable treasure trove of marine life. From the microscopic plankton that form the base of the ocean food chain, to the majestic blue whales, the largest animals to have ever lived on Earth, the Atlantic teems with life. It's a habitat for hundreds of species of fish, including the elusive Atlantic bluefin tuna and the impressive swordfish. The ocean's depths are home to a myriad of creatures too, many of which are yet to be discovered. From the bioluminescent anglerfish that lurk in the abyss, to the giant squids that are the stuff of legends, the Atlantic's depths are a world of their own. The Atlantic Ocean is a world of its own, full of wonders waiting to be discovered. It's a testament to the beauty and mystery of our planet, a place where life thrives in the most unexpected corners, and where the secrets of the Earth's past are locked away beneath the waves. The Atlantic Ocean is home to some of the world's most beautiful islands. Each of these islands, scattered like gems across the vast expanse of this ocean, has its own unique story to tell. Let's start with the British Isles, a group of islands off the northwestern coast of mainland Europe. These islands are a patchwork of rolling hills, rugged coasts, and ancient history. Their vibrant cultures, steeped in lore and tradition, echo through time. From the bustling cities of London and Dublin to the serene landscapes of the Scottish Highlands and the cliffs of Moher, the British Isles are a testament to the resilience of nature and the indomitable spirit of their inhabitants. Then there's the Caribbean, a tropical paradise known worldwide for its stunning beaches, vibrant cultures, and diverse ecosystems. These islands are home to an array of unique flora and fauna, some of which cannot be found anywhere else in the world. The turquoise waters that surround these islands teem with life, housing some of the world's most spectacular coral reefs. The Caribbean's rich cultural heritage is a melting pot of influences from Africa, Europe, and the Americas, resulting in a vibrant tapestry of music, food, and traditions. Lastly, let's sail to the Azores, an archipelago in the mid-Atlantic. These islands are a haven for wildlife, especially sea creatures. They are one of the best places in the world to spot whales and dolphins in their natural habitat. The Azores are also known for their dramatic landscapes, featuring towering volcanoes, serene lakes, and verdant forests. These islands, and many others in the Atlantic, play a crucial role in the health of the ocean. They act as hotspots of biodiversity, providing habitats for countless species. They also help regulate the climate by absorbing carbon dioxide, and their reefs and mangroves protect coastlines from storms and erosion. These islands, each with their unique charm, contribute to the diversity and beauty of the Atlantic. The Atlantic Ocean faces numerous challenges, but there is hope. As vast and powerful as the Atlantic Ocean may seem, it's not immune to the threats posed by human activities. Overfishing, climate change, and pollution are just a few of the many challenges that the Atlantic and its islands are currently facing. Overfishing has led to a significant decrease in the populations of many species. The depletion of these fish stocks not only disrupts the balance of the marine ecosystem, but also threatens the livelihood of millions of people who rely on the ocean for their sustenance. Climate change, on the other hand, is causing sea levels to rise and temperatures to increase, which could lead to the loss of many coastal areas and islands. It also threatens the survival of countless marine species, altering their habitats and disrupting the food chain. Lastly, pollution, particularly plastic pollution, is wreaking havoc on the Atlantic. Countless birds, fish, and marine mammals are killed each year after ingesting or becoming entangled in plastic debris. But even in the face of these challenges, there is hope. Numerous efforts are being made to protect and preserve the Atlantic and its islands. Governments, nonprofit organizations, and even individuals are stepping up to combat these threats. There are initiatives aimed at implementing sustainable fishing practices to prevent overfishing. There are campaigns to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and slow the effects of climate change. And there are movements to reduce, reuse, and recycle in order to curb plastic pollution. But protecting the Atlantic is not just the responsibility of governments and organizations, it's also up to us as individuals. We can play a role in these conservation efforts, whether it's by reducing our carbon footprint, participating in beach cleanups, or advocating for policies that protect the ocean. Each of us can make a difference. The future of the Atlantic Ocean is in our hands. It's up to us to protect this magnificent body of water and its islands for future generations.